Daisy balloon tutorial. Prepare 8 white 5-inch round balls, a 10-inch and a 5-inch round balloon. Inflate and tie off the balloon. Tie balloons in pairs. Prepare 4 sets in total. Group 8 balloons together. Inflate 5-inch balloon to pear shape. Hold down the center of the ball with your left hand. While pushing forward with your right hand, gently release air, tying off the neck. Guide the air forward. Hold down the nozzle and make an apple knot. Give it a twist. Wrap with the balloon neck. Inflate the 10-inch round balloon. When you touch the opposite fingers, then release a little air. Tie off. Propels forward. Push the balloon skin forward along with the knot. Push to opposite side center point. Make an apple twist. Secure with balloon tail. Reshape it. Clip the balloon onto the daisy petal. Adjust the shape. There's the little daisy.